Today, I am going to tell you how to reduce salt in Palak Paneer. To prepare about 1 liter of Palak Paneer, we need to make a small preparation of little gravy separately. For this, we need to take a kadai, then add 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil to this. Add little jeera when the oil is hot, and then add about 2 chopped onions to this, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Start frying it well. When the onions become translucent, then add half a cup of tomato puree to this. Start frying it. Now add the required spices like coriander powder, etc. When all this gets nicely fried, add the original palak paneer prepared to this gravy. Mix everything nicely. Add half to 1 cup of water if required. Now simmer the gas and cook everything by constant stirring. Now let us see the second method. Take half a cup of milk, whip it along with 2 to 3 teaspoons of freshly prepared cream. Mix well and then now add this to the originally prepared palak paneer.